Hello friends, welcome you all to another unboxing video, and this time I have bought a Titan watch, original genuine leather strap for my watch, and I got it from the Nakia Fashion Nakia website. So guys, without wasting any further time, let's get started. So you can see the packaging is very good, nice packaging. It is like a Flipkart or Amazon packaging, and actually I got it just for 700 rupees. It is a genuine leather, blue colors or gray color strap, I don't know. Actually I have forgotten the color of this strap, but actually I got it just for 700 rupees, and actually it is a genuine leather strap, and you can see the packaging is very good. And here is another box in the packaging, a small box, and in that box I think the bill and other details are also there. So let me take it out first, and then I'm also going to show you that how you can fit these straps on your watch. So stay tuned until the end of the video, and if you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you can see such kind of videos regularly. So friends, here is the packaging, and you can see that original box. Here you can see the original box is here. You can see also the price and etc of this. Now I'm getting the straps out of it, and in the next video I'm going to show you how you can fit these straps on your watch. And you can see the dark blue color is there of the straps. So guys, and you can, here is also one tool, then you can remove the older strap of your watch and you can fit it. So hey guys, if you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you can see such kind of videos regularly. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching.